Welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Westgate Las Vegas. We're checking out their new Christmas suite. It's gonna be a great time. Come check it out with me. Ho ho ho!
Check it out.
Okay guys, let's go. I am so excited to check out this room because Christmas is my favorite holiday. So to have an entire room that's Christmas decor is so exciting. This is the most exciting part for me. Putting in the key and opening the door. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Let's come in. Oh my gosh. Let's walk through this together. So, actually, let's start. Oh my God, you guys, it is so happy in here. And the smell, it smells like Christmas. It's got like that, you know, like apple and cinnamon smell. Over here is their bar. And look at all the Christmas decor. And they have, what's nice about it is they have a refrigerator. Other hotels have stuff you have to pay for, but there's decor and there's a sink over here. Let's go over to, let's go right here. There is a mock fireplace. You guys check it out. And a little soldier. I love this fireplace. There's two soldiers on the other side. And some chairs. And all the chairs have nice little Christmas themed pillows. And the candle. Oh, what's this? Oh, they gave me a hat with my name on it. Thank you, Westgate. And it looks like a gift bag. Thank you, Westgate. We'll open it later. Can't wait to see what it's like. It is like Christmas for me today. Okay, and let's start right here. Look at this gigantic tree and a big ornament ball. And I also like that you can bring in food and they have a Christmas dinner table set up. Look how lovely this is, you guys. I didn't bring any food, but if I did, because this room is one of the first rooms they're renovating all their suites. So this is available all year round. So if you want to have Christmas in July, like this month, or September, it's the perfect room to book. And here is another Christmas tree. I'm gonna close this up. We'll look at the view later. Here's our sitting area. And there's a huge Santa, great size TV. And look at all the detailing. I love the details. There's Christmas balls here. And again, pillows with little Christmas messages. You guys, sorry, I'm smiling so big because it makes me so happy. I love Christmas. They've got it was the Night Before Christmas book and Elf on the Shelf. And of course, Santa. Okay. This is a one-bedroom suite. But as you can tell, people can crash on the sofas. All right. So, follow me this way. We're going to check out the bedroom. Oh my gosh, there's another Christmas tree. Look at this, you guys. This one is, those were like white trees. These have more color. And of course, all the detail. You could sit here and admire the tree. And here's the bed, you guys. Again, with more Christmas pillows. There's a ho 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 sign up there that lights up right above the bed. Gorgeous. Here. And look at the pine cones, you guys. With a nice size TV. And nice wreath. I didn't notice a mistletoe though, now that I come to think of it. Here is the closet area and the bathroom. Again, some more Elf on the Shelf reading material. It got some a holiday shower curtain. And that's what the bathtub looks like. I switched off the lights so I can show you just how cozy it looks, because it takes on a completely different feel when you turn off the lights. Look at the fireplace. I'm just gonna pan the room from this perspective. Look how beautiful it looks. There's a huge bonus to this room when I came in. I'm going to show you guys. It's the view. When you open the window, the curtain, hopefully we don't get a crazy glare. Check out what we can see from here. It's the sphere. All right, hold on. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, you guys, I zoomed in a little and I'm looking through glass, so it's a little fuzzy, but right outside of the Christmas suite, there is the sphere right there. See that little like globe? It's not moving right now, but it's like the perfect touch. It looks like a snow globe. It's kind of a perfect touch to this room. Guys, I have my Christmas hat on with my name, and I'm gonna open the gift from Westgate. Like I said, Christmas is my favorite holiday. I feel like it's Christmas today. Thank you, Westgate. Whatever this may be, it smells really good in here because it is a pumpkin spice candle. Beautiful. It looks like, oh, it's a sugar scrub. Everything Christmas, smells really Christmassy. I feel really cozy next to the fireplace. A nice little ornament. Cocktails. Oh, a berry Christmas candle. You guys, if you haven't seen Barry Manilow, do check him out. It's a really great concert. I will link, I did a whole video on his concert. I will link the video in the description box below so you guys can watch it. I believe little bath bombs. Is that what you call it, bath bombs? Okay. And, oh, you guys, it's a jacket. I love it. It's so Vegas. It's so sheeny. It is a Westgate, is that what it says? Jacket. Yes, I love it. It's like it's like a walking ornament. It's like silver. It's beautiful. Thank you, Westgate. I'm gonna get a pasta, you guys. I'm feeling a pasta today. So we're having dinner at Fresco Italiano. I'm feeling a pasta tonight. You guys, look at this. This looks like a great deal. Chef selection, 3-course menu, $48 per person. So you get an appetizer or a salad or soup. You guys see that? And your choice of fettuccine alfredo, lasagna, chicken parmesan, or grilled salmon, and dessert. And they gave some bread with olive oil and garlic. Yummy. This is the bruschetta board. So, Roy, what is it? One's like a fig.
Yes, and ricotta.
Ricotta and
tomatoes and
tomato something. This is my Caesar salad that comes with a chef selection. So Raya got the spaghetti pomodoro with one meatball. And here is my lasagna. Excited to try that. Okay, you guys, here's my lasagna. I'm gonna try it. Excited to try it. Ooh, look how cheesy it is. Sure. It was really good. Here is dessert. I chose the tiramisu. It looks really good. Thanks so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at In and Out of Vegas.